My SRFS project is about developing materials, devices, and systems for permeable, stretchable electronics that are important for many types of wearable electronics. In the past 2 decades, scientists and engineers have paid much interest in developing stretchable electronics. Electronics that can be bent largely, twisted, and stretched in 1, 2, or multiple dimensions. This technology is really important for future applications in flexible curved substrates, and more importantly, for wearable and implantable types of electronics, which find remarkable applications in health, medicine, sports, and so on. However, the technology developed in the past largely overlooked the permeability of materials, devices, and systems, which would be indeed an indispensable factor for long-term wearing. Therefore, my project aims to develop permeable types of stretchable materials and electronic devices to address the challenge. The SRFS scheme actually is very timely to fund this research. It is right at the cutting edge. Not much work has been done in the field, even though we just published one paper in Nature Material in 2021, and there is much uncertainty. The 5-year funding with a substantial amount and a great freedom of collaboration and direction are critical for this type of ambitious project. I really appreciate RGC to launch this scheme and to fund my research. It is my great honor to receive this fellowship. I really look forward to the award ceremony. I hope to thank the RGC in person and meet the scientists and other awardees. I also hope to learn many new things. For example, those are the funded projects and collaboration opportunities in the ceremony. I believe that as a team leader in the academic field, it is important to provide a fair, competitive, and encouraging environment to students and research staff. It is also important to maintain a high standard of work and a self-reflecting, self-criticizing manner. Keep open-minded, keep hungry, and keep foolish. I feel that Hong Kong has its own advantages in R&D. It's a hub connecting the world with mainland China. On one hand, Hong Kong maintains a large degree of freedom in academic research. Hong Kong has direct flight to essentially any major city in the world. Therefore, international academic exchange in Hong Kong is very frequent and convenient. On the other hand, Hong Kong is right next to the mainland. Being one major city of the Greater Bay Area, Hong Kong enjoys strong research support from the mainland. Researchers in Hong Kong can easily tap into the country's 5-year development plan, not to mention some research projects explicitly requiring the involvement of Hong Kong's research institutes. In recent years, there are increasing funding opportunities in Hong Kong, which is an obvious contrast to the majority of other developed countries and regions in the world. Besides, the strong manufacturing infrastructure and the capital in the GBA facilitates knowledge transfer activities, converting those written on the paper into real technology and products.